Alright, so this is Kenny Santos out of Toronto, Canada for KennySantos.com. Got a question for you. What if you were handed a ticket that could magically start your life anew? And the reason why I asked this is that a couple weeks ago, I finished reading this book. It's called Life's Golden Ticket. Hopefully it's not backwards, because when I just put it up, it was backwards, but I don't know if that's backwards there. But ultimately, this book is by Brendon Burchard. Awesome book. I should have read it a long time ago, but ultimately this book is for someone. It's called A Story About Second Chances. It is a story book, but it's a self-help story book, which are the kind of books that are right up my alley. I like self-help books, but I like self-help books that are stories even more. Like stories like The 1 Minute Millionaire, or my favorite book ever, The Alchemist. But this is probably a book that I'm going to be reading at least once a year, and it's for someone or the types of people that they just realize that they can always start their life all over. Your past does not have to dictate your present or your future. You can just move forward, and you know what? There's a lot of lessons to be learned in that. This is not just about starting your life all over. There's a lot of lessons that you can learn in this book, and it's ultimately, if you know someone that's stuck in a rut, that is just drifting through life and just accepting life for what it is, when you know they could be living so much higher to a greater potential, what I invite you to do is get this book and then give them a copy. You read the book too, get yourself a copy, and actually do yourself a favor. When you pick up this book, you're probably going to want to give a couple copies to your friends or family members. Pick up a handful, pick up 5 or something like that. I don't get paid a cent if you go buy this book, but you gotta grab it. It's called Life's Golden Ticket. It's by Brendon Burchard. It's a story of second chances. Highly recommended. Trust you got some great value out of this. If you want to see more videos just like this, go over to my blog. It's KennySantos.com. You put your name and email in, you're going to get an awesome audio in growing your business. And remember this, every day, multiple times a day, the universe sends us miracles. And the only thing we got to do is recognize them and accept them. All right, take care and create a great day.